These are the Triumph TR5, TR250 and TR6 Sun Visor units. We've got a variety here of different materials, etc. So I'll start with these ones here, which are for a right-hand drive car. They have the vanity mirror on the passenger side, which is obviously the left-hand side. You get a pair of them. Obviously for a left-hand drive, you would have that blank and the mirror situated here, which would be the right side for a left-hand drive car. These are the original black plastic PVC, so they've been bonded all the way around, as you can see. They have the plastic hole opening on the inside edge here for you to attach it to the framework of the car. So these are the bog standard ones that we supply the most of, as they are original for the car. Obviously left-hand drive or right-hand drive. See our website for more details. These here are all leather versions. Leather we can't bond together, you have to stitch them around the edge as so. Looks very nice and neat. Bear in mind that even if you want vinyl ones that aren't black, we would also have to stitch those, the way the bonding machine works. You can see here we've got mirror on the right hand visor there, which means this is for a left hand drive car. The ones in the middle here do not have any mirrors, as the customer has requested it like this. We can also offer ones where you have the mirrors on both sides if you want, to make it universal. And this customer here has asked for biscuit like tan leather, again for a left-hand drive car. You'll notice obviously we include the plastic rods here for fixing to the cars. These ones haven't got them on, but we will send the plastic bits loose with them, so you just slide them into the hole there to allow the fitment onto the car. See our website for more details.